Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss recursion versus iteration. And we also will introduce the tail recursion. Recursion is an alternative form of program control. It is essentially repetition without a loop. Recursion bears substantial overhead. Each time the program calls a method, the system must assign space for all the method's local variables and parameters. This can consume considerable memory and requires extra time to manage the additional space. Recursion, in most cases, is not efficient. However, recursion is very good for solving the problems that are inherently recursive. For this kind of problems, recursion gives you an intuitive solution that is straightforward, that is most often it is also efficient.